This is Sebastian.
Kitty, kitty, come here. Come on. Yeah. He likes this. I know. He likes it though. Look how excited he gets. Come here. Come on. Oh, you're playing, huh? Watch, he'll come back. Come here. See? Come on. You like that? You are a strange cat. You are a strange cat. Come here. But I stop. Come here. Come here. You like that? Come on. Come here, kitty. Oh, you feel good, don't you? Oh, you feel so good.
You feel good? Sebastian. Kitty.
Does that feel good?
Sebastian. Hey. Hey. How do you feel about... Let's do something else. How do you feel about Willie? There's Willie playing with her toy. Oh, he doesn't like Willie. Alright. Should we play a little bit more?
You want to play some more, huh? He's a strange cat. Doesn't look like he likes it. But he loves it. Always comes back for more. He cries like, oh, it hurts. But I hurt so good. I love it. See, and then he plays like it rough. I like it rough. Then he starts playing. Then he starts playing, huh? If I'm not careful, he'll attack. He'll attack like a tiger. Like a vicious tiger, won't you? Huh? Trush, come here. Sebastian. Kitty. Hey. Come on. Ooh. Look at that, he got me good. He got me good. You're a good cat, though. You're fun to play with. You like me.
Rest time. What are you doing? You're curious, aren't you? You want to play some more? Alright. I have to go get some thing. 1 minute. Okay. Back again. What have you been doing? Hmm? Hey. Where's your other toy? What'd Mom and Dad do with it, huh? Did they take it away from you? Watch him come back for more. What did you do? You're a strange, strange cat. Where is it? See? Coming back for more. Told ya. Oh, give me more, he says. He likes to play rough. That's why he's doing it. See? He likes that, huh? You like that, huh? See him rub against me? Oh, come here. Up in your ear. You're in a fight, huh? What do you want? There, he doesn't like to be teased, though. I can't blame him, though. If I had a tail and somebody was doing that, I'd be the same way. He likes playing rough, though. Usually he's mean to Willie over here. Hits her in the face. Don't you? Don't you? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? If he didn't like it, he wouldn't keep coming back for more. Good one. Good boy. I like that, huh? You wanna play some more? Huh? Little attack. What are you gonna do? One more. 3 more times tops. Alright, truce. Okay. Good. Good boy. Good. This is my buddy Sebastian. Say hi. See? Okay. What do you say, Willie? You chewed it apart again? Not yet? Alright, bye.